Welcome to India's startup revolution. In just a decade, India has transformed from an emerging market into the world's third largest startup ecosystem. With over 1 lakh startups and 100 plus unicorns, India's private market has become a powerhouse of innovation and growth. But the journey hasn't been without any challenges. Hi everyone and welcome to Centrishala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about Oyster Tribe Ace Fund 1. In 2021, Indian startups reached their funding peak, securing a record of $32.5 billion. Then came the global economic uncertainties. Funding dropped to $22 million in 2022 and plummeted to just $7 million in 2023, the lowest in 5 years. So what is the good news here? The good news is that we are seeing the signs of recovery. In 2024, Indian startups have raised $11.3 billion, marking a modest sign but significant upturn. Despite these fluctuations, India has maintained its position as the fifth largest recipient of startup funding globally and ranks second in Asia-Pacific region after China. But here's the challenge for investors like you. The most promising high-growth companies that weathered this funding winter are often inaccessible to individual investors. These resilient companies, now on the verge of IPOs, are typically reserved for large institutional investors with deep pockets. What if you could access these market leaders before they go public? Or what if you could invest in India's growth champions at attractive valuations? That's where the Oyster Tribe Ace Fund 1 comes in. Now let's talk about Oyster and Tribe. This unique fund brings two powerhouses in the investment world. Oyster Global is India's premier alternative assets manager with a digital-first approach. They combine robust diligence, deep domain expertise, and an extensive network to create high-quality private market opportunities. Partnering with Oyster is Tribe Capital, a leading quantitative venture capital firm from the USA. It is based in Menlo Park and Boston. Tribe leverages AI-powered analytics to identify and invest in market winners across sectors like enterprise infrastructure, fintech, healthcare tech, and AI/ML. Together, they have created a fund that gives you the access to what was previously reserved only for the largest investors in the world. Now let's talk about the ACE Fund strategy. So what exactly is ACE Fund? It's a Category 2 AIF that focuses on secondary investments in market-leading companies that are typically 18 to 36 months away from the IPO. Now let's break down the strategy. First, it targets India's growth champions. These are companies that are market leaders in their segments with proven business models and strong growth trajectories. We are talking about businesses with over 40% plus revenue growth in the last 2 to 3 years. Second, it uses secondary investments, which means the fund buys shares from existing investors like angels, institutions, or founders who want to exit. This is significant because the private equity secondaries market hit a record of $93.8 billion last year, growing 159% from 2022. Third, you get to enter at a discount, with blended discount at fund level of approximately 15% from the company's last funding round. Fourth, it offers compelling fee structure with one of the lowest management fees in the industry ranging from 0.75% to 1.25% and a carried interest with full catch-up of 10 to 15% above the hurdle of 10%. Finally, short tenure with possible exits within 3 years of investments as most companies are mature and potentially IPO bound. Let's look at some of the companies that are already identified for this fund. First, we have BlackBuck. BlackBuck is India's largest trucking platform with 42% market share. They have revolutionized the fragmented trucking industry with a technology platform used over by 963,000 truck drivers. Once in every 3 truckers in India today uses BlackBuck's platform for tolls. They recently went public in November 2024. Second, we have ShipRocket. It is a full-stack e-commerce logistics provider with 40% market share. They serve over 140,000 merchants and 110 million plus consumers with an annualized GMV of $3.5 billion. Their key customers include brands like Mamaearth, Bodycare, Kellogg's, and Relaxo. They are cash EBITDA positive since June 2024 and are expected to go public in the next 12 to 24 months. Third, we have Offbusiness, India's largest B2B platform for raw material procurement and working capital financing for SMEs. They have worked with over 1 million SMEs across 30 plus countries. Their NBFC arm, Oxigo, achieved $108 million in operating revenue with a net profit of $34.7 million. They are expected to go public in next 12 to 24 months. Fourth, we have Zip. It is India's largest EY as a service platform with a fleet of over 20,000 electric vehicles and 22,000 plus monthly active riders, servicing 3 million plus orders monthly. Their key partners include Zepto, Flipkart, Zomato, and Blinkit. With the delivery revenue growing 20 to 40% month on month, they are one of the fastest growing yet capital efficient companies in the segment. These companies represent 75% of the portfolio. The remaining 25% will be selected from other high potential sectors, including omni-channel retail, beauty and personal care, wearables, and customer engagement platforms. Now, you might be wondering, how does this fund fit in your investment portfolio? Well, the ACE fund offers you the exposure to high-growth private companies that are typically unavailable to individual investors. With a target of IRR of 26 to 30% at the fund level, it has the potential to significantly enhance your portfolio returns. Think of it as adding rocket fuel to your existing investments. While your public market portfolio gives you stability, this allocation to alternative investments can provide accelerated growth potential. Most financial advisors recommend a 10 to 20% allocation to alternatives for high net worth individuals. The ACE fund, with its focus on mature companies close to IPO, offers a compelling risk-reward balance within that allocation. With a minimum investment amount of just ₹1 crore, it's designed to be accessible to qualified investors looking to diversify beyond traditional assets. By combining Oyster's deep local expertise with Tribe's capital quantitative approach, this fund offers you a unique opportunity to participate in India's private market success stories before they hit public markets. Well, this was all about Oyster Tribe Ace Fund 1. We hope you liked this video. Thank you.